Welcome to Active Driving Encounters by GTBOARD.com. Time to press thumbs up and share. So we have the classic Swedish car, EPA, which is like a regular car, but max speed should be like 30-40 kilometers per hour. No sound. And the prosecutor mean that the driver has been gross negligent in traffic. But actually the court disagreed because the police or the prosecutor could not prove that he drove 130 kilometers per hour, like 100 miles per hour. And the prosecutor could not prove either that he had no remorse for other people's lives, and he did not take that into consideration because they saw on this video that he actually stopped with at the yield sign. But the court did not like that he ignored 2 stop signs and also that he crashed into the police and continued to drive after that. So because of his young age, it's 40 hours community service, youth community service. Like this, subscribe, comment below. It's pretty funny to see a EPA driver overtake a regular car, like on a 70 kilometers per hour road. It's supposed to make max 30 kilometers per hour. Anyway, thanks for watching.